Okay guys, welcome back to another Foxtecc video. This time we talk about alarm and how you can change the iPhone alarm volume. You might have noticed that whenever you're setting up the alarm, when you go to the clock app, you go to the alarm section, you can set up a brand new one, and there are things like you can customize a couple of sections. There's also the sound which you can change, but there is no way to adjust the volume of the sound. And the way that it works is a little bit more complicated and a little bit different that you would expect, but this is essentially how you can do it. So to change the volume of your alarm on the iPhone, you don't change it on the clock app, but instead you open up the settings and just make sure to get to the main section. So let me leave everything. You're in the main page. You scroll down a bit more and go to these sounds and haptics right here, and the slider at the top is for the ringtone and alerts, which includes the iPhone alarm when you wake up. So this slider right here determines the volume of your alarm in the morning, so you can slide it up and down as you wish. You get a preview of how loud it's gonna get, and this is where you can set it up. So this is what I wanted to show you. You need to adjust the slider right there to change the alarm volume on the iPhone. But you can also choose the change with buttons option, which means that if you turn on this toggle, coming back to the home screen, you can use the volume buttons on the side, the physical ones, to adjust the ringer volume, which includes everything from the incoming phone calls volume to the alerts and alarms. So if you want to quickly be able to access it, you can keep this option turned on, and you're going to be able to just use the volume buttons on the side to adjust it. So that's basically how it works. Okay, so before we wrap up, hope you found this video useful, by the way, but if you found it actually useful and helpful, definitely go ahead and check out the Foxtecc educational platform, as there is a place which you can join for free, by the way, and there you can watch in the classroom sections like many different courses which I worked on, stuff that I created. Full course on the iPhone dynamic island, like more and more iPhones have it, so it's crucial to know all the built-in functions, third-party apps which supported, some tricks and wallpaper stuff. Definitely something to check out. It's free to access, as I say, so I'm gonna wait for you inside. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.